All right, so let's begin. So find a comfortable position, allowing your body to be fully supported. And gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale slowly. Again, breathe in and out, letting your body to settle. You're doing great. And now imagine yourself on a peaceful beach. The air is warm but gentle. The sky is open and calm above you. You can hear the soft, steady rhythm of the waves moving in and out, in and out. Let that sound guide your breathing. Each inhale like a wave coming in. Each exhale like the wave slowly receding back into the ocean. Feel the ground beneath you, safe and supportive. Perhaps you're lying on a soft towel or warm sand, completely at ease. With each wave, allow your body to relax more and more deeply. Your forehead softening, your eyes resting, your jaw unclenching. Let your shoulders drop, releasing any tension you've been holding. And now bring your awareness gently to your head, noticing any sensation there without judgment, just observing. Imagine that the waves are washing through your mind, cool, soothing water flowing gently over any areas of discomfort. Each wave carries away tension, pressure, tightness. You don't have to force anything to change. Just allow the sensation to soften, even slightly, with each passing wave. If there is any pain, imagine it as a color or a shape. And with each exhale, see it dissolving, fading, breaking apart, washed away by the ocean's waves. And now begin to offer yourself some gentle reassurance silently in your mind. This will get better. This is not permanent. My body knows how to heal and restore balance. This feeling will pass. I am safe even in this moment. I can ride this wave and it will not last forever. Let's repeat. This will get better.
This will get better.
This is not permanent.
This is not permanent.
My body knows how to heal and restore balance.
My body knows how to heal and restore balance.
This feeling will pass.
This feeling will pass.
I am safe even in this moment.
I am safe even in this moment.
I can ride this wave.
I can ride this wave.
And it will not last forever.
It will not last forever.
And as you rest here on the beach, imagine a cool, calming sensation spreading across your forehead like a soft breeze or a gentle mist, soothing and quieting your mind. Allow that comfort to move deeper, easing pressure, calming your nerves, relaxing every small muscle. And now, bring in a sense of compassion for yourself. Recognizing how difficult it can be when your body limits what you can do. And instead of frustration, offer yourself kindness. As if you were speaking to someone you deeply care about. Now, silently in your mind, tell yourself it's okay to rest. My body is asking for care, not punishment. I can give myself permission to slow down. Even this moment of stillness is helping me heal. Take a deep breath. Imagine yourself fully supported here. Nothing required of you, nowhere to be. Just resting, healing, allowing. And notice how, even now, there may be moments of space, moments where the discomfort softens, even briefly. Let those moments grow, expanding gently, naturally, without effort. Continue to rest with the sound of the waves in and out, steady, calming, predictable. And know that you can return to this place anytime. especially when you need relief, rest, or reassurance. Take a few more deep breaths. Let this knowledge and healing sink into your mind. In a moment, we'll begin to return, but you can bring this sense of calm and control back with you. Gently begin to notice your breath again. Notice your body, the surface beneath you. Take a deeper breath in and slowly exhale. And when you're ready, you gently open your eyes, bringing with you a sense of ease, self compassion, and the quiet knowing that this will pass. Welcome back.